Guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on pound USD. Guys, yesterday we were buying this and we are almost at a target, guys. So what are we going to do today? That's the question. Mhm. And we are approaching a resistance area. So what I'm going to do is, guys, simplify it, go down to a lower time frame. So guys, for today, as long as we are above 1.328, guys, I would stay bullish and treat this as a trending market. Okay, guys, a trending market means that we are going in one direction, and my target, guys, would be 1.32761. And guys, if we break below this, I would treat this as a ranging market. And a ranging market means that we are at the top area right here, so we should be seeing the bottom area right here, and my target, guys, would be simple. It would be 1.32025. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow.